Thank you for your interest in AMETEK Warranty Plus. Warranty Plus is a low-cost way to enhance your product warranty and ensure your product is repaired and returned with no additional cost or hassle. Warranty Plus brings even more value than the AMETEK standard warranty. With Warranty Plus, you look forward to the following elements. Warranty Plus customers receive expedited shipping to our repair depot. When your product arrives, it is immediately next on bench, or a field technician will arrive at your site within 7 business days for large systems. Your product is guaranteed to be repaired and returned within 15 business days at AMETEK's cost. AMETEK ensures all warranty repairs are handled as our top priority. Now with Warranty Plus, you get faster service, no-cost shipping, and peace of mind. Talk to your sales rep or contact AMETEK to attach Warranty Plus to your new product purchase today.